revise. I'm inviting Mr. Rajiv. If you could come on video, we'll spotlight you. And Guruji Rajiv's birthday is 17th February 1962.
Can you write it? 17 Feb 1962.
Perfectly right, sir.
Yeah, number 8 and number 1.
Very true, sir.
Yeah.
How are you, first of all? It's a big honor.
Thank you. Thank you.
With you.
Thank you, Rajiv ji. How are you?
Perfect, perfect. I must say, yes, I am lucky. I'm lucky.
What is your name number adding to?
So it's 8 number, and this thing is basically coming to number 5 now, sir. 2, 3 is number 5. Because earlier it was Rajiv J and it was coming to number 1. Then I was told to change it to bring it to number 5. Then I added A and added S to it because my father's name is Premshil Jain.
Achha.
So I took it S and added that, and it turned to be 23. So I made it like that. So just done it just a month before.
Just month before.
Yes, sir.
So how many alphabets in your name? 11 alphabets.
Okay, sir.
Relationship in the house, there is no peace.
You got the words, right words, sir.
Sorry?
I said you have the right words, basically. Yes, no peace at all.
Okay.
Well, to be very honest, if you would take it as on the professional front or the personal front, I don't know. Because when I started my career in marketing and all that, you won't believe that I was working along with Mr. Sunil Mittal of Airtel. Like he was also doing his work, I was also doing my work. That was in early 80s, when no Airtel or mobile was in the picture. He was marketing his telephone instruments and I was marketing my other products, which I was dealing in. And similarly, again, I came down. But the question is, like, if you would see, since 97, I'm unemployed. If you would ask me what is my salary, I have not even a single salary. I can say ₹1 a month. I can't even say that. But I've just been honored that I had to stay with a joint family. My younger brother, my father is a retired engineer, and my brother, basically, he's doing his business. So I'm getting survived. My family is getting survived on all these things. So.
Deepaji will see you in the course, okay? She's there online, right? Or she has left? Okay. Rajiv ji.
Sir.
You have beautifully changed your name, but you have done it very unprofessionally.
Okay, sir.
So never do this, because things which have benefits have equal chances of losses. That which is beneficial can be that much harmful also.
Okay, sir.
So if you calculate the space in between your name,
sir,
if you have to write your name in blocks, if you're filling up a form, you will utilize 13 blocks. You understand that?
Perfect. Right, sir. Got it, sir.
That gives you a life threat also.
Okay, sir.
So Rajiv S, either you write together or you write Rajiv, and S and Jane you write together. Okay, don't leave space in between S and Jane, or don't leave space between Rajiv and S. If you learn to do your graph analogy, graph analysis, you will agree that Rajiv and S have to be written together.
Yes.
Then space and then Jan.
Perfectly right. Now on it be done like that.
Perfect. Join your brother's business. Help him.
No, I am basically, because to be very honest, I've got no other work, so I keep on going there also. But basically, he's like you say, 99 or 100%. That is his involvement, because he's been doing since 93. So to be very honest, he has a lot of respect for me. But if you talk of the business part, naturally he's more interested to do it independently. So he keeps on asking me anything you want, anything you want. Well, basically.
Don't go as a brother, go as an employee.
Okay, sir. I had asked him to give me I must take a package of around, you see, well, you know what I told him? This was this particular month. Like when he was drawing the salary for the workers, I said, yeah, from this month onward, I'll also take a salary. He said, how much? He said, 2,300. Again, I was coming to that 5 number only. I said, yeah, please start giving me. He said, yeah, nee, okay, Papa, nee, there's nothing like that. So I said,
So
nee, but whatever.
2,300, you take 2,003 rupees. Don't end your salary with 0.
Okay, sir. Right, sir.
If you want, you take 20,003 rupees.
Perfect, right, sir.
The higher number has to be backwards. Okay?
Perfect, right, sir. Okay, sir.
Or you can take 5,005 rupees. Or
I wish I could, but I can't disturb him now because.
5,009 rupees.
Okay,
5,009 rupees.
5,000.
1 is an unlucky number for you.
1, yes, sir. True, very right, sir. That is very true. So, but
tell you a
initially, could you
secret.
suggest me, please?
Keep your wife happy.
That's $1 million thing. Basically, I don't know why things
घर
doesn't
की
work out.
लक्ष्मी नाराज रहेगी तो बाहर से लक्ष्मी नहीं आएगी.
Nee, that is very true, sir. And she's been very, very helpful also. At the time of my accident, like she'd been helping me like anything. I had a brain hemorrhage, I had 2 brain operations, and her father also expired during the same period. But she, in spite of that, she kept her things aside and she's been helping me like this. Internally, I too have everything for her. I want to give her the best everything as possible. But I don't know, again, because she's incidentally,
The
she's
only
also
problem
age
is you want her to understand you.
Yeah, that's right.
You cannot understand yourself. How will she understand? First, you know yourself. Do you know who are you?
So I'm just a person, basically. That is very true.
You
I
are
don't
a
have the right
person.
one.
Someone told you you are a person. You believe that you are a person.
Right, so
Maybe someone will wake you up and you will know that you are dreaming that you are a person, but you are someone else dreaming. Maybe a butterfly is dreaming that he is Rajiv as Jain.
That is very true. Frankly speaking, if you would ask me, I think I do not more than a vegetable, basically. That's what I feel, to be very honest.
You feel that you are a vegetable. You are just a fraction of someone's imagination. Vegetable is too valuable, too big. We all are fraction of someone else's imagination. Every one of us. First, know yourself, understand yourself. If you don't understand yourself, don't expect others to understand you. The problem that all the women are doing, that my husband does not understand me, you are doing that. Let your wife do it. All the health issues, brain hemorrhage, this, that, vegetable, this, that is coming because of this, that you want people to understand you. We don't understand ourselves. We want people to understand us.
Yeah. Very true.
You know your wife loves you because you love yourself. But you know that your wife does not understand you because you yourself don't understand yourself. Got it? Come to the course.
I'll be there, definitely. Thank you so much for all this. For your, these are, I won't say these are blessings to me. I must say, I must thank God for this. That out of the, I must say, so many people like I had been chosen across. And earlier I used to think that I don't have any luck and all this thing, but today, yes, I can't say that. God had been very favorable to me by putting you this thing, giving me this chance that you can have a word with me, sir. It's a big honor.
Many people with name Rajiv have 8, something to do with number 8.
Yes, sir. So what do you suggest for me, like for the professional front? I just want a little bit of earning.
I gave you the suggestion. The
join my brother.
Worldly remedy is that you join Rajiv and S together. Don't have space in between them.
Perfect, right.
Secondly is don't expect others to
understand me.
Understand you. Third is take salary from your brother.
Right, sir. Perfect, right.
let go.
Yes.
That will come after learning certain things from me.
Very true.
Dealing with me, you have to let go many things. I'm one impossible person like you.
Very, very true. No words to say, sir.
Thank you. Hari Om Tat Sat. And keep your wife happy. That is the biggest remedy that I'm telling you. घर की लक्ष्मी नाराज रही तो बाहर की लक्ष्मी कहां से आएगी? नहीं ना? If your woman of the house is not happy, don't expect wealth to come your way. Do whatever you can to keep her happy.
Thank you, Guruji. That was so wonderful. And you gave such different types of remedies to Rajiv and even Deepa and Arnab. Guruji, thank you so much. And Guruji, can we tell everybody that tomorrow we will try to take more demos?